Today I am going to show you how to make a healthy and keto-friendly popsicles. I love this recipe because it is kids approved, and Maya loves the popsicles so much, and I am very happy about it because I can satisfy her sweet tooth. At the same time, I am nourishing her body with healthy ingredients. So today I am going to show you step by step how to make super easy popsicles. If you don't know me, my name is Monica, and this is my YouTube channel, Butonic Life. I am making videos every single week. Here you can find super easy, simple and delicious keto-friendly recipes, weight loss and ketogenic lifestyle tips. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel and click notification bell so you never miss a video like this in the future. Let's get started. Let me show you what we need for the recipe. Fresh organic strawberries, chilled heavy whipping cream, keto-friendly sweetener. Today I am going to use monk fruit, vanilla extract, and this is pretty much it. What I can tell you, you can instead of strawberries, you can use different berries. You can make blueberry popsicles and add a little bit of lemon juice, whatever you like. Also, what we need for this recipe is ice popsicle mold, hand mixer. Let me start with making strawberry puree. I like to use this device, this blender, into this recipe because you don't need to add extra liquid to make a puree. I am not adding lemon juice, but if you like it, you can add it too in this step. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of monk fruit. You can always add a little bit more of a sweetener into this recipe because when you make ice cream, the sweetness is going away. Are you ready? Wow, so refreshing. Reminds me of my childhood. I am going to make our first layer. I will pour about 2 tablespoons in each mold. The recipe for this ice cream will be posted below the video. The rest I will be using on the 3rd layer. We need to put this to the freezer for about 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, I am going to whisk the heavy cream. If you can not tolerate dairy, you can use coconut cream from the can. I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of my sweetener. And vanilla extract. Vanilla extract makes a difference in this recipe. Now I am going to whip the cream. I will put this into the refrigerator until the strawberry in the freezer will be set. I just took the strawberries from the freezer and I see they are already set. So now I am going to put the second layer which is cream mixture on the top of the strawberries, and leave some space for third strawberry layer. I also love the recipe because you can play with the ingredients and also with the layers. To make this work clean, I would recommend to use another spoon. I am going to set the cream evenly by tapping. The recipe below the video, it is just for those 6 servings. One serving is about 2 ounces per mold. So if you want to make more ice cream, you can double, triple the recipe, whatever you like. Now these guys are going back to the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we are going to put the last layer of strawberry puree. Alright, final layer. Somebody might tell, oh my god, this recipe, it's really not that complicated. But you know, my channel is all about simplicity. I want to enjoy it, and I want you to use simple ingredients so you will really make a difference in your lifestyle, because all I want to achieve is make your ketogenic diet easy. So the last step, we need to close the popsicle with the sticks. That's it. You can make these popsicle in the evening, so they are going to be ready next morning, or you can freeze it for about 3 to 4 hours. Alright, so I will be back in a few hours to show you the final result. Here are our popsicles. All we need to do is just remove the popsicle from mold. What I do is run them under warm water, and we'll be back in a second. I am back. Let me show you the final result. Ta-da! Wow! Wow, I am impressed. So let me do a taste test. Wow, the strawberries are super refreshing and a little bit sweet, what I love. And yes, so I hope you will like it and you will make it. So please let me know below the video what type of flavors you would like to do with your popsicles. And if you like this type of video, please put thumbs up and let me know what content you want me to do next and what type of recipe you wanted to see. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I wish all of you a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.